Welcome to Play the Brand. This international summer business university offers a truly unique global learning experience. It is designed for undergraduate and graduate international students who are passionate about marketing, new media, and the creative industries. This July, experience the energy of Québec City while studying at FSA ULaval, the business school of Université Laval, known for its academic excellence and strong industry connections. Spend 2 intensive weeks building your skills, expanding your network, and gaining a fresh global perspective, all within a program designed to strengthen your expertise and help you stand out in today's international marketplace.
By joining this short program, you'll dive into Quebec's vibrant entertainment ecosystem, one of the top 3 video game development hubs in the world. Quebec City hosts major international studios alongside a dynamic community of entrepreneurs in interactive entertainment. It is also home to globally recognized titles and iconic franchises such as Assassin's Creed and Baldur's Gate, as well as a flourishing creative industry. During your stay, you'll connect with industry experts and entrepreneurs who will share their insights and experiences with you.
In this course, I introduce students to experiential marketing through the lens of gaming and entertainment. We explore how immersive experiences reshape brand engagement, how business models such as free-to-play, freemium, and subscription from Fortnite to Netflix influence consumer behavior, and how communities built on platforms like Twitch, Discord, and TikTok drive audience loyalty. We also look at the psychology behind microtransactions and fandoms and discuss emerging trends like augmented reality, the metaverse, and virtual goods that are shaping the future of marketing. If you want to know more, please visit our website. And let's get ready to play the brand.